Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hi, welcome to English Pronunciation Practice. I am Emma, and today we will practice one important English sound.
Hi Emma, I am Nexo. I am ready to listen, repeat, and improve my pronunciation.
Great, Nexo. Today we will focus on the sound like in bird and shirt.
Nice. I will try to make the sound clearly.
Before we start, let me show you the structure of this pronunciation lesson. First part, words. We will listen to clear words with the sound Second part, phrases. We will hear short phrases using those words naturally. Listen carefully and repeat when you can. Small practice every day helps a lot.
I like it. Short words first, then phrases. Let's go.
Excellent energy, Nexo. Let's begin with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Bird. Bird. Shirt. Shirt. Skirt. Skirt. Purse. Purse. Nurse. Nurse. Burger. Burger. Worm. Worm. Fern. Fern. Church. Church. Girl. Girl. Circus. Circus. Turkey. Turkey. Curtain. Curtain. Circle. Circle. Squirrel. Squirrel. Pearl. Pearl. Turtle. 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 Dirt. Dirt. Phrases.
Good job completing the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible.
I can hear the sound better now. The words helped me a lot.
Now, the goal of phrases is to listen carefully to short sentences and get used to the English sounds.
Bird. Bird. The bird is in the tree. The bird is in the tree. Shirt. Shirt. This shirt is blue. This shirt is blue. Skirt. Skirt. The skirt is red. The skirt is red. Purse. Purse. The purse is small. The purse is small. Nurse. Nurse. The nurse smiles. The nurse smiles. Burger. Burger. The burger is hot. The burger is hot. Worm. Worm. A worm is under a leaf. A worm is under a leaf. Fern. Fern. The fern is green. The fern is green. Church. Church. The church is white. The church is white. Girl. Girl. The girl has a kite. The girl has a kite. Circus. Circus. The circus has lights. The circus has lights. Turkey. Turkey. The turkey is big. The turkey is big. Curtain. Curtain. The curtain is open. The curtain is open. Circle. Circle. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. Squirrel. Squirrel. The squirrel is fast. The squirrel is fast. Pearl. Pearl. The pearl is shiny. The pearl is shiny. Turtle. 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 The turtle is slow. The turtle is slow. Dirt. Dirt. The dirt is wet. The dirt is wet.
Great job! You and Nexo finished this pronunciation lesson very well. Wonderful. Keep listening and repeating. See you in the next class.